Are you okay?
About what?
About Mr. Ramos. Everything.
Yes, I'm glad you're happy. Really? I'm gonna get my stuff and we can go, okay?
You got it, sweetie. You know, Doug is a fabulous guy. We have lots of fun, and he's cute. He's great in bed. Do you think there's one perfect love? You know, like Sleepless in Seattle, somewhere under the stars, one perfect person for everybody. I don't know. Why? Because for Doug, it's you.
Hey, who ordered these pizzas?
Pizza's here!
All right!
Great job, folks. Excellent. Very nice.
Hey, it's Dr. Bob. Oh, now what? All right, Patrick.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way